Hi, Suzy Valentin, Realtor with Century 21 Now Realty, and I am the key to the home of your dreams. Today we're looking at this beautiful model home. Come join me in this beautiful house tour. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house with a 2-car garage. Today we're in the community Shadow Rock in Jurupa Valley, California. We are viewing the Residence 1 model home of the Exploration floor plan by Lennar Homes. It is a single-story home with optional builder upgrades. It measures approximately 2,140 square feet and has an open floor plan. Right away, you'll notice the attention to detail Lennar Homes has implemented throughout this beautifully designed home. It had a spacious entry and hallway with high ceilings, and I thought the flooring looked fabulous. The kitchen is featured with pendant and recessed lighting, with gorgeous countertops, beautiful backsplash, and dark cabinets. It has a walk-in pantry perfect for storing food. I really liked all the stainless steel appliances, such as the stove, microwave, dishwasher, and double oven. It also features a large single basin sink with great views of the backyard while you're doing dishes. And a large center island with a breakfast bar, which is perfect for parties, a quick bite to eat, or extra room for meal prep. This spacious living room is also commonly known as a great room, and it has an elegant fireplace, recessed lighting, and large windows with views to the backyard. The dining area is displayed with a modern chandelier and a sliding door to the yard. The backyard is perfect for barbecues, gardening, or just to sit back and unwind under the sun enjoying our wonderful Southern California weather. If you're thinking of selling your home in the Southern California area and would like to be featured on this channel, please let me know. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe and click the bell to be notified so you don't miss a thing. The laundry room has access to the 2-car garage with extra storage and features cabinets, washer-dryer hookups, and shelves for storage. The master bedroom, which is also called an owner's suite, looked rather welcoming. A great area to unwind at the end of the day and wake up to in the mornings. The master ensuite bathroom looked really nice. It had a private water closet, and look at the size of the master bedroom walk-in closet. It has storage shelves, single and double pulls with plenty of room for both summer and winter clothes. Couldn't you just imagine your favorite outfits hanging on it right now? It has dual sinks, cabinets, and a vanity area. It also has a large soaking bathtub. Isn't it beautiful? It also has a separate shower. If you have a friend who loves model house tours, please share this video with them, and if you want to search for new homes like this, I'll put a link in the description below. I really like the hall closet. It's both a linen closet and a coat closet all in one. The flex room has views to the front of the yard and can be ordered as an optional 4th bedroom, or can be used for whatever you would like, from an office or a den or a music room. This second bedroom was decorated so cute with the lemonade stand theme. It has a closet, carpet, and a window to bring the light in. The third bedroom is also carpeted, has a window and a closet. The guest bathroom is uniquely designed, with both sides having cabinets and sinks. It also has a private water closet with a toilet and also a shower in the bathtub. This home also includes heating, air conditioning with a programmable thermostat. This home also includes green features, such as water-conserving plumbing fixtures, LED lighting, dual-glazed vinyl windows with energy-efficient Louis glass, and a tankless water heater. This home truly is an entertainer's delight. Let's make this house your home. Wasn't that home lovely? I absolutely love the kitchen. What did you think? Please comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, you'll probably like these two as well. And if you're in the Southern California area thinking about buying a home, please call me, Suzy Valentin, 951-907-4020. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.